Hello everyone, this is Bank. Today I'm showing you how you can create API keys from Postman which we can use to run Postman through CLI. So this is your Postman desktop application, and here at the top you can see an avatar. Just hover over it, you can see manage accounts. When you click on it, you can see a settings link below. Just click here. It will redirect to you to a web browser. Now here you have an option on the left, API keys. Just click here. There is no API key as you can see. Now you can generate an API key. For now I can name it as demo. Click on generate API key. The key has been generated. You can copy it. You can change the expiration time, that is 60, 30, 60 days, and you can delete it as well. Just right click it, delete. That's it. And again you can create a new API key which you can use while performing actions from Postman CLI. I hope you like this information and you found it informative. Thanks for watching.